Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery for your Ford Focus key. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement process for your key fob, getting it back to full function quickly. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment point. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful not to use too much force, as this could damage the internal components or the casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.